plot of new Banana Highland all the way from Port-Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. As you can see all over this place is owned by Mercy Homes and Properties. You can see that some people already fencing. What are you waiting for? Come and good news. Remember that I always bring good news for you, and the number is always here, 090342965119, to get your plot of new Banana Highland. If you dey hear wetin dey happen for the environment, people are already building, knacking their zinc, building their blocks and erecting their fences. Don't wait for when this land will be 20 million. No, don't even try it, because that time if you dey buy am, e go dey pepper you for body. So quickly, that's my signature. When I tell you quickly, you know what you're supposed to do? Comot that phone from your bag, comot that your handset, your mobile phone from your pocket, from your handbag, and dial the number 090342965119, so that you can come and take your own plots. I'm not talking about one plot too. I dey talk about 3, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 50, 100 plots. Yes, you can use it for school, for company. Remember that this is the domain of Port-Harcourt, River State. So plenty things they sup for here. Whatever you build here, we always produce return on investment for you within a short period of time. Okay, so take a look yourself. Can you see? Mercy Homes and Properties. Now here we dey gallant for here, and we dey wait for you to come collect your own plot.